Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about resin coats of plastics in polymer chemistry chapter. In this session, let us find out more about the different types of plastics that we use in our daily life. We know that plastics are very useful in our daily life, but some types contain dangerous chemicals. We can tell these plastics apart by searching for a resin code. So what is resin code? The resin codes are a universal way of categorizing different types of plastic which helps us separate plastics so that it is easier to recycle them. So what are resin codes? They are a universal way of categorizing different types of plastics. So it is easier to recycle them. How can you identify the resin code, or where can you find the resin code on a plastic item? So look at the chasing arrow, triangle shaped symbol on the bottom of a bottle, on the brand label sticker, or on the lid of a container. What number is marked in the center of the triangle? What letters are below this? This is what we call a resin code. If the number is 1 within the chasing arrow, triangle, and or has the acronym PET or PETE, then it is a type of plastic which is called PET. Now that you have found out that the bottle has a specific resin code, let us see what gives the bottle and other plastic products certain qualities. Different chemicals are added to plastic to give them various qualities and characteristics. For example, flexibility, strength, softness, or transparency. There are some chemicals that are used in plastics that are dangerous for our health, animals, and the environment. For example, polyvinyl chloride. PVC resin code 3 has heavy metals such as cadmium and lead, which are toxic chemical which are harmful to your health. Polystyrene PS resin code 6 has styrene, which is a toxic chemical known to cause cancer. So let us learn the plastic resin code chart. Different resin codes for different type of plastics. So plastic resin codes can be found on the label or bottom of most plastic items. It is a number or acronym found in the middle of a chasing arrow triangle. There may be other numbers or letters on the plastic items, but these are not resin codes. So first one is resin code 1. Other name of this resin code is PETE or polyester. Common items. So these type of plastics are used in umbrella, sports clothing, warm fleece jackets or sweaters, rope, sails, polyester fiber made into sleeping bags. So this plastic is designed to be used only once. Reusing PET plastic can release a chemical called antimony, which is not good for our health. So polyester is the most widely used synthetic fiber for clothes. So this resin code, this type of plastic is designed to be used only once. So next is resin code 2. So other name of this plastic is PEHD. Common items. This type of plastic is used in cement or rice or cow food sacks. Cement sacks or rice sacks, cow food sacks. Then rope, fishing nets, shade nets, then bulletproof material vests, then fiber reinforced concrete. So this type of plastic is considered one of the safer plastic. It is light, very strong, and has excellent impact strength. It is an effective moisture barrier. It is widely recycled. So it is one of the safer plastics. So resin code 2, this type of plastic is safer plastic. Then resin code 3, the other name of this plastic is vinyl. Then common items, PVC fibers. These fibers are used to make shower curtains, outdoor fabrics, raincoats, boots, fishing nets, synthetic yarns, children's clothing and blankets. And this type of plastic is used for stickers on clothing, dress costumes and fake leather. So this type of plastic is most toxic plastic. So vinyl has good resistance to weathering and fire. Then resin code 4, other name of this type of plastic is PELD, LLDPE. In common items, heavy duty sacks, artificial grass or turf for football. Then this type of plastic is considered one of the safer plastics. It is very flexible and soft but strong. So it is also one of the safer plastic. Resin code 2 and resin code 4. Then resin code 5, the common items, disposable absorbent articles like diapers, wet wipes for cleaning, then ropes, carpets, clothing for filtration, then battery separators or geotextiles. Then PP microfibers are added to concrete to stabilize the mix. So this type of plastic is also considered one of the safer plastics. Non-woven PP fabrics are made so that they can be used in disposable products that you usually throw away after one use. So resin code 2, 4 and 5 are safer plastics. Then resin code 6, thermocol, EPS, XPS and HIPS. Then this type of plastic is used in pens, rulers, throwaway tea and juice cups, plates and cutlery and toys. It is one of the unsafe plastics as it has toxic chemicals. So most PS in the world is made for one-time use, throwaway food and drink packaging. So it is unsafe plastic. Then resin code 7, polycarbonate, PC, acrylonitrile butadiene, styrene ABS, then acrylic, bioplastics, nylon, polyurethane PU, etc. So this type of plastic is used in baby bottles and food containers. Then ABS is used in helmets and car bumpers. Then acrylic is used in fiber optical cables and paints. Then bioplastics is used in plastic bags and tableware. Then nylon is used in clothes, kites and toothbrush bristles. Then PU is used mattress, foam and shoe soles. So this type of plastic do not fit into the resin codes 1 to 6. PC and ABS are two of the unsafe plastics and are considered toxic. So this is also unsafe plastics. So resin code 7, other name of this type of resin code is PC, ABS, AC and PU. Then next, no code. So does not have resin code or any acronym. So can be any plastic item. So the company did not follow the rules and mark what type of plastic was used. So it could be harmful, but you do not have the information to know for sure. So avoid using plastic without a resin code. So resin codes are numbered from 1 to 7. Among these, resin code 2, 4 and 5 are safe. So students, hope you all understood about the resin code chart. To find out more about the different types of plastics, the common items and the plastics that are safe and unsafe for us, animals and the environment. Thank you.